I love it when my friends share their wins with me. Share nila magkano yung kinita nila, ano yung mga work opportunities na lumalapit sa kanila, and they would feel safe enough with me to seek career advice from me. Dito kasi sa Pilipinas, medyo taboo topic pa rin yung money eh. So, okay lang kung hindi kayo comfortable i-share sa mga friends nyo yung kinikita nyo. But I genuinely feel na as an adult, you need to have a circle na komportable kang sabihin yung mga ganong bagay. Kasi ikaw din mismo yung ma-help nun sa professional growth mo. Throughout the years kasi, I've surrounded myself with people who are richer than me, better than me, and normal sa amin mag-usap about pera kasi we're all there to build. Kung nakakatabala ng puso and I feel like magandang goal to as a friend, nakokontakin ka ng mga kaibigan mo hindi lang sa tawanan, sa lokohan, but also sa mga times na alam nilang maaasahan ka nila sa mga real world adulting stuff. Be that safe space for your friends so that they can share their wins with you because they don't need to worry kung uutangan mo sila, may crab mentality ka, maiinggit ka sa kanila, lang ganon. So, if adult ka na and tingin mo wala ka pang circle of friends na pwede mong makausap sa mga ganitong topics, I highly suggest that this year you socialize more. Find people who will be beneficial for your growth, personally and professionally.